Today, we are going to the ADO station to try to get us a bus to Valladolid tomorrow. All right, we officially have our audio bus tickets. We are leaving at 9:27 in the morning tomorrow from Playa del Carmen with a round trip to Valladolid, and then back to Playa del Carmen. We leave at 11 a.m. the following day to come back, and then we'll be in Puerto Morelos. So we'll show you the rest of the trip tomorrow morning and how we got to Valladolid. Next day, we are sitting at the audio station and we're about to board the bus, and then we'll show you getting on the bus and getting to Valladolid. In Playa del Carmen, you're allowed to come out into this area where you can actually see the bus and you can see the bus number on your ticket, and it's real easy to find it here. They will staple these little tags to your bag, and then you get these guys right here to pick them back up. Even though the media will tell you to be scared of Mexico, it's just like any other bus in the world. You just get on it, you're stuck on it for a couple hours, and you end up where you're going. A few hours later, you end up in your destination, which in our case is Valladolid, and... You ready to be stuck on a bus for 2 hours?
No, there's mosquitoes on here.
The sky was full of what looked like huge bats, all swooping and screeching and diving around the car.
And now we're in Valladolid. That will complete our trip to Valladolid, and we get back on here tomorrow to head back to Playa del Carmen. Today we are back at the audio bus station here in Valladolid, and we're going to get back on and head back to Playa. Pro tip on this bus ride, you will actually go to Tulum and then back to Playa del Carmen. So make sure if you have kids traveling with you that you have things for them to do, because it is a long bus ride. Alright, we are officially back in Playa del Carmen, so we did the whole round trip to Valladolid and back. And one thing I would note, if you're going to Valladolid, if you're going there, their terminal, they don't let you come out here. Like, you wait for the buses out here, and you can see your bus which one you're supposed to be on. Where in Valladolid, you had to wait in the line, and you had no idea what was really going on. What just happened there?